WorldRemit Transfer Completed but not received. Fix. If your WorldRemit transfer shows completed but the recipient hasn't received the money, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Confirm the transfer is marked completed. Log in to WorldRemit and check that the transfer status shows completed. Step 2. Check the payout method. Verify whether the money was sent to a bank, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Step 3. Allow bank or wallet processing time. Banks and wallets may take extra time to credit the funds. Step 4. Verify recipient details. Confirm all recipient information is correct. Step 5. Ask the recipient to check directly. Have the recipient check their account or pickup location. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support. If the money is still missing, contact WorldRemit support with your reference number. Tips: share the reference number, check bank holidays, and don't resend transfer. And that's it. You now know how to fix a WorldRemit transfer marked completed but not received.